Look at this new 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the option package discount, seats, front bucket, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, PowerTech package, tires, P265/70 or 17 off-road, white outline leather, LPO, all-weather floor mats, LPO, under-seat storage and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.